Tanisar, this is Dhaka Secondary School, North Karachi campus. Students, our chapter is chapter number 11 and topic is latent heat. Latent heat, amount of heat which is required to change the state of a substance without changing temperature is said to be latent heat. There are two types of latent heat of fusion and latent heat of vaporization. What is latent heat of fusion? The amount of heat which is required to change the solid state of matter into liquid state or liquid state into solid state at fixed temperature. It means temperature does not change. This is called latent heat of fusion. The latent heat of fusion of ice is 3.36 into 10 power 5 joule per kg. It means that 1 kg ice can be converted into 1 kg water by providing heat 3.36 into 10 power 5 joule. If delta Q be the amount of heat required to change, the mass of ice is m kg into mass of water m kg of water. Then delta Q is equal to m multiplied by L, where m is the mass of ice and L is the latent heat. And L can be taken as L is equal to delta Q upon m. Its unit is joule per kg. Now the latent heat of vaporization, the amount of heat which is required to convert 1 kilogram of liquid into vapor without changing temperature is called latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat of vaporization of water is 2.26 into 10 power 6 joule per kg. Now I am telling you the method, the formula to convert Fahrenheit into centigrade, centigrade into Kelvin, Kelvin into centigrade. Temperature in centigrade can be converted into Kelvin by adding 273. Temperature in Kelvin is equal to temperature in centigrade plus 273. Temperature in Fahrenheit is equal to 9 upon 5 centigrade plus 32. And temperature in centigrade is equal to 5 upon 9 into temperature in Fahrenheit minus 32. Now the law of heat exchange. The next topic is law of heat exchange. When two bodies are taken in thermal contact with each other, the change in heat will take place. The change of heat will take place. It means their temperature will also be changed. Heat lost by hot body will always equal to heat gained by cold body, because heat transfer from hot body to cold body till to that time the temperature of both bodies becomes same. Consider two bodies A and B are taken in thermal contact. Body A is hot body, B is cold body. So delta Q be the heat lost by the hot body A, that is equal to delta Q be the heat obtained by the cold body B. As we know that delta Q is equal to mc delta T. So MA CA delta TA will be equal to MB CB delta TB. Now the next topic, laws of fusion. There are some rules of fusion which are given below. Number 1, every object changes its state from solid to liquid at a particular temperature. Number 2, during change of state, temperature remains constant. 1 kg, number 3, 1 kg of every substance need energy to change its state of solid to liquid or liquid to solid without changing temperature is called latent heat. Number 4, mostly substances increases their volume on melting, like wax ghee, etc. Some decreases their volume on melting, like ice. Melting point of those substances which shows decrease in volume on melting are lowered with increase of pressure. It means that their melting point becomes low by applying pressure. The melting point of those substances which shows increase their volume, which expand on heating, on melting, are increased with increase of pressure. It means that when they will be melt, when those substances be melted, their melting point, on melting they expand. It means that when we will increase the pressure, their melting point will also be increased. It means that if the pressure will be applied on the wax or ghee, their melting point will also be increased. But by increasing pressure on the ice, its melting point will decrease. Thank you very much.